Stop waiting. Waiting feels safe. It feels comfortable. It feels like you're protecting yourself from failure. But waiting quietly steals time. You wait to feel confident. You wait to feel ready. You wait for the perfect moment. You wait for a sign. And while you wait, life keeps moving. Days turn into weeks, weeks turn into years, and one day you look back and wonder where the time went. No one tells you this clearly enough. Waiting does not prepare you, action does. Most people think clarity comes first. They believe once everything makes sense, they'll begin. But clarity doesn't come before action, it comes from action. You understand yourself by doing, by trying, by failing, by adjusting, not by waiting. Stop waiting for confidence. Confidence is built through repetition, not thinking. Stop waiting for motivation. Motivation is unreliable. It shows up when it wants to and disappears without warning. The people who move forward are not more motivated than you. They just decided to start without it. Stop waiting for permission. No one is coming to give it to you. No one is going to sit you down and say, "Now it's your turn. Now you're ready. Now it's safe." Life doesn't work that way. Waiting feels responsible, but often it's fear in disguise. Fear of getting it wrong, fear of being judged, fear of wasting effort. But here's the hard truth. Not trying costs more than failing. Failure teaches, waiting only delays. Stop waiting for the perfect plan. You don't need it. Most plans change once you start anyway. You need a direction, not certainty. A step, not the whole staircase. Start small. Start imperfect. Start scared. Progress does not require confidence. It requires honesty and effort. Stop waiting because time doesn't slow down for hesitation. It doesn't pause while you decide. It doesn't care how overwhelmed you feel. Time keeps moving, with or without you. And waiting doesn't make the future easier. It usually makes it heavier. The longer you wait, the more pressure you add, the more doubt grows, the more fear builds. Starting early feels uncomfortable. Starting late feels painful. Stop waiting for things to feel right. They often don't until after you begin. Every meaningful change starts with discomfort. Every growth moment starts with uncertainty. Waiting keeps you comfortable. Growth makes you uncomfortable. But comfort has a cost. Comfort slowly shrinks your world. It keeps you where you are. It convinces you that safety is more important than growth. But safety without growth becomes regret. Stop waiting because your future self needs you to act now, not tomorrow, not someday, now. You don't need to change your entire life today. That pressure is unnecessary. You just need to move in the right direction. One honest step, one small action, one decision that says, "I'm done waiting." You'll learn as you go. You'll adjust as you move. You'll grow as you try. That's how life works. Stop waiting for fear to disappear. Fear doesn't disappear before action. It fades after you act. Stop waiting for guarantees. There are none. The only guarantee is this: if you keep waiting, nothing changes. So if something inside you has been asking for more, listen to it. That voice isn't trying to scare you, it's trying to wake you up. Stop waiting, not because you're behind, but because your life is happening right now. And now is enough to begin. Welcome to Human Lessons 87.